I have 1 box of Devil's Food cake mix. Now you're gonna add 2 eggs right into that cake mix. Get all of that. Oof, yeah. Here I have a 1/2 cup of melted butter. Let's dump that in. And 1 cup of water. Ooh, so easy, you guys. We're whipping this together in the crock pot. Now check this out. I have some miniature Reese's. Oh, my favorite. I am gonna dump these right in with this cake mix. And for me, I'm gonna set aside a few because I'm gonna wanna use those in the end. I'm gonna put those on top. So if you wanna do that, set some aside as well. Now start to mix that all up. We're just combining those eggs with that 1/2 cup of butter. We have the cup of water and the Reese's. Oh yeah, baby. Nice, moist chocolate peanut buttery cake we're going for right here in the crock pot, and it's gonna be fabulous. Okay, you guys, so that's it. We mixed that all up. We're gonna put this lid on right here. We're gonna stick our crock pot on high. It's gonna cook for 2 hours, and stick around because we have more to come, and this is gonna be your new favorite cake, I guarantee it. Yummy, you guys. You should see the way the cake is turning out. I can't wait to show you. It looks amazing. So it's almost done, and I just added 1 cup of creamy peanut butter right into my bowl here. And then I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar right into that. All we're gonna do is give this a quick stir, you guys, and we are making a delicious peanut butter topping for our chocolate cake that is going to be so good. It's gonna blow your mind. So mix that all together, and yes, we are almost done, so stick around because what you're about to see is gonna be so tasty. All right, the moment we've been waiting for. Holy cow, look at that chocolate bubbling up from the middle. Oh my God, I can't even begin to describe what the house smells like right now. Now watch this. We have our chocolate peanut butter mixture that we are just gonna pour all of that peanut butter right on top. And especially because it's in the crock pot, it's gonna get melty. And as soon as we cut into that cake, that peanut butter is just gonna, oh, let me see. I'm just gonna get my fork here. Let's get the rest of that peanut butter out. Oh, that looks so good. Now we'll just spread it over the top. And look at that, it's just like so warm. It's just melting right into all of those edges. Now remember, we had those leftover Reese's cups that we saved some. Let's dump those out. Woo! And even if they get melty, you guys, who cares? This is gonna be super good. Okay, now I didn't say it was the most healthiest treat, you know, but I did say it was delicious. Now look at what else we're gonna do. We're gonna take some Reese's Pieces. Oh, I'm gonna throw that on there too. Okay, I don't even know where to start. Like, do I go in the middle? Do I go at the end?
Oh, right in the middle.
Like right here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's just dig right into this cake.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, I want it all. I want it all, baby. Whoa, look at that. Ooh, look at how fluffy and moist that is. That looks amazing with that peanut butter topping. Take a look in there. See, that's what I mean. That's what you want even. Who cares? Get all that peanut butter. Let it soak into that cake. Oh, it's going to be even more phenomenal. I just see it steaming, which means, oh, could you imagine? What kind of ice cream would you put with this? With a steaming hot cake, some creamy, melting peanut butter, and I don't know. What are you going to use? Chocolate, vanilla, peanut butter ice cream? They should make a candle that smells like this. If you could have any flavor smelling candle, what would it be? What are you choosing? I'm choosing chocolate peanut butter cake. Wow, this is so good. It's like melt in your mouth delicious. The peanut butter topping is just enough. Those Reese's Pieces, I love it. They get a little melty inside, but you can feel the coating on the candy outside. There's like a little bit of this crunch, and I can taste the chocolate of the melted chocolate with those Reese's Pieces that we threw inside of the cake, you guys. This is easy peasy home run. Cook it up, put it in the crock pot. You don't even have to worry about it. Keep it out, it stays warm. Everyone can just dig in, get a little sloppy. Who cares, you guys? Have some fun with it. Let me know if you're gonna do anything different. I'm gonna scarf this down, and I'll see you guys later.